Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel OS VFX. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design business startup template in PowerPoint. So let's start. I have created two templates, which is one is going from the top to bottom and the other one is coming from bottom to top. So like this. Alright, so let's start doing this one. Open the new presentation, go to insert and insert the text box and write startup all in capital letters, uppercase. I'm going to give the font name as Oswald and the font size is, I'm just making it say 138, or you can make it 140 and make it bold as well, and you can just change the color, whatever the color you like it. Okay, whichever color which you feel it's okay, you can add that color. Alright, now make it format, align, center. Right, and I'm going to add one rectangle by going to insert shapes, select a rectangle and draw the rectangle till here. You have to do a proper alignment here, and for the color I'm just going to use the same color of what I have used for the startup font. Okay, first of all make it as no outline, and the fill effect is already here, which we have just used, which is the dark blue one, and zoom it, bring it down and align it properly. Little bit. I feel it's okay. Let's see. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so if you see this one, it will be something look like this. I'll just make it somewhat big, so it should touch till here, till the top of the slide. All right, okay. This, I think the font size bold is, I think it's too much bold for me. Just I'm going to remove the bold, and this one also I'm just going to arrange it properly once again. All right, okay, so something like this it will look like. Then I'm going to insert some oval shape here. Maybe I'll give 0.85 inches. Make it no outline, and I'm going to give the same color. Okay, and add one more oval shape and reduce the size to maybe 0.45. Make this as a different color and exactly bring it here. You can select both of this one, you can make it align center, right? And I'm going to add this is the 0.1. You can make it bold, you can use your own font of your choice and make it as white. Okay, and I'm going to insert. So first of all, get idea or whatever text you like to have it. again I'm going to use the same font which I've used, the color which I've used for the circle, right? And let me just increase the size. Again add some more text, which is by pressing Ctrl D. I will reduce the size. A different font I'm going to use, maybe Calibri, and you can type your text here. Alright. You can add one more a pointer here by using the triangle. I'll make it say rotate left 90 degrees, make it no outline, and the color I'm going to give the same color, and I'll bring it here. Excuse me, sorry for that. Okay, and if you have a font or sorry the icon, you can just insert the icon. For example, if I have the icon which I have downloaded from, say, this one, alright, and you can just put it here. The next one, I'm going to just press the Ctrl D and make a duplicate copy of this one. So in the second slide, I'm going to delete this startup text, and selecting this vertical line, I'm going to increase the size so that it will reach till the bottom of the slide. Alright, so and for the second slide, I'm going to transition. I'm going to use the transition called push, and the effect I'm going to use is from top. Okay, so if I just go here, right, so it will be the second slide. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm just selecting this one, so this will be 2 and point number 3. Okay, I can just press Ctrl D and bring it here. Alright, so only thing is I'm just going to change the position of this one. Rotate and get this here. Alright, so this will be first, and this will be the second, and this will be the third. Make it second, and this is third. Second point, this is the third point. Okay, and you can just bring this one here, or if you want, you can just change picture from file. I'm just going to change the picture, some different picture I'm going to use. Alright, so if you see here, my first point, second and third point, right? Again, I'm just going to select the slide and press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. So this will be your point number 4, and this will be your point number 5. Alright, if you want to just change the line, instead of just going vertically straight, you can just bend the lines, and you can do that one as well. For example, I'm going to select this one and reduce the size of this vertical line, and I will make it here till here. Okay, I'm selecting this one, press Ctrl D, and I will just make it rotate 90 degrees left, and I'm just putting it here. Maybe some more because this line is very big. The important here, friends, is the alignment, proper alignment. If you don't align properly, okay, so again press Ctrl D, this one again I'm going to rotate 90 degrees and bringing it here. Not properly aligned, so let me just align properly. Okay, yes. So my first slide, my second and third point, my fourth and fifth point, you can just change the text. And this one, I'm going to start my line from here. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this part, and maybe I will select the whole of this and bring it here. Let's see how it will look like that. You have to align it properly. Okay, so if you see this is not properly aligned, but let me just see how it looks like. Can you see the line starting from this point now? Okay, so suppose that this is your, now this is what we have, fifth, maybe sixth point, and this is your seventh point, right? Or maybe this is the end. So I'm just going to reduce the size of this one, or I can just make one more slide, new slide. I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, I'm going to delete all this. Even I'm deleting this one. I'll just put this on the top here somewhere. Can align these three lines, or okay, and so this is, I'll just say this is the end. All right, I'm just going to change the background color of this one. I will use some, maybe some light colors. Okay, and apply to all. So your startup to your first slide, second point and third point, that is second slide, this is your third slide, this is the fourth slide, and this is the end. So the end result will look something like this. So that's it from me, friends. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, OS VFX. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.